There are two fundamental reasons to the launch. The first one, like our headline, maximizing capital growth while investing responsibly. The principle of Shariah Fund is that you must be ethically and socially responsible while investing your money, which is aligned with the discipline of socially responsible investment. Second reason of the launch is to respond to the demand from our fast-growing Muslim agency districts and their customers for a Shariah Fund offering. These customers are looking for financial investments that are aligned with their faith and moral values. In Singapore's market, there are limited Shariah funds currently. However, the market is more than ready for such an offering. According to a survey by Financial Alliance Islamic Wealth Advisory, it says that over 80% of Muslim investors prefer Shariah investment solutions if available. We are delighted to bring this innovative and compelling proposition to you. AIA Singapore is excited to be partnering Franklin Templeton on the launch of our first Shariah ILP fund. We are selecting not just a fund manager, but a strong long-term partner for this unique solution. The fund manager not only needs to have strong track record in managing Shariah strategies, but also provide extensive on-the-ground support to our clients and agents in a journey of maximizing the capital growth while investing responsibly. Given Franklin Templeton's track record, resources, and experiences, we believe they are the best choice for this solution.
For 75 years, we've been pioneering strategies that create better outcomes for our clients. We currently manage over $1.5 trillion in assets globally and over $3 billion in Shariah compliance strategies across equities as well as Sukuk for institutional and retail investors over the past decade. Our Shariah screening methodology for both equities and Sukuk is reviewed and approved by the Armani International Shariah Supervisory Board. Armani scholars also provide ongoing monitoring services to ensure continuous adherence and validation to accepted Shariah principles and standards. In addition, our Sukuk team has also developed an industry-leading Sukuk rulebook, which screens and scores individual Sukuks to produce a Shariah compliance score. Franklin Templeton has won multiple awards for our work in the Islamic finance space, with the most recent award being the Asset Management House of the Year Institutional in Malaysia for the 8th consecutive year. The AIA Shariah Global Diversified Fund has three underlying strategies from Franklin Templeton. Global Sukuk. A Sukuk is an Islamic financial certificate, similar to a bond in Western finance, but that complies with Shariah principles. Global Sukuk has proven diversification benefits due to the very low correlation with other asset classes, making Sukuk an essential component of a Shariah-compliant portfolio. Over the last 3 years, the Global Sukuk Index has had a higher return-risk ratio compared to a global bond index, with key sources of alpha from profit rates, currencies, sovereign as well as corporate credit. Sukuk is also a rapidly growing asset class, but it is difficult to invest directly for individual investors. Franklin Templeton is one of the few global asset managers with investment specialists in major Sukuk issuing markets across the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia. The second strategy will be Shariah Global Equity. Diversification is the most important benefit for global equity investing. Global value investing allows investors to benefit from mispriced opportunities, whilst at the same time avoiding potentially overvalued companies. The fund seeks capital appreciation by continuously upgrading the quality of the portfolio to own more defensive value holdings in a late cycle environment, and at the same time allocating resources to pursue the best long-term investment opportunities in an often overlooked market segment. We have been managing the Shariah Global Equity Fund for the past 10 years, leveraging the same investment team and research process in place within the broader Templeton Global Equity Group. The last strategy will be the Shariah Technology Fund. Managed by one of the largest US equity research teams located in San Mateo, at the heart of the Silicon Valley, this location advantage helps us to identify investment opportunities and technology-driven disruption before the broader markets. This is backed by a solid 20-year track record of the Franklin Technology strategy that's been active across public and private markets, and is also the first Shariah-compliant UCITS technology fund to be launched. In conclusion, global diversification is key to long-term investing. Over the last 5 years, a 50% allocation to Shariah Global Equity would have increased returns of a global Sukuk portfolio, delivering a return of 7.3% versus 3.9%. Franklin Templeton is excited to be partnering AIA in their launch of the AIA Shariah Global Diversified Fund to meet their client-centric needs.